I'm sure you've heard the news. Newton's laws are super cool. Let's see what they're all about. First up, Newton's first law, inertia. If something's not moving, it won't move unless something pushes it. And if it's already moving, it'll keep going unless something stops it. Imagine you pushing a toy car. It won't move until you push it, right? And it'll keep rolling until something blocks it. SFX rolling car. Now, Newton's second law, law of acceleration. This one's all about force, mass, and acceleration. The harder you push, the faster it goes. Think of riding a bike. The stronger you pedal, the faster you zoom. SFX bike pedaling. Finally, Newton's third law, law of action and reaction. For every action, there's an equal and opposite reaction. Picture jumping on a trampoline. When you push down, the trampoline pushes you back up. SFX bowing sound. So there you have it. Newton's laws in a nutshell. Keep exploring, stay curious, and remember, science is fun. Bye for now. Please like, subscribe, and share at Kids and Neurons.